Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Photon and Phantom. Photon and Phantom are two powerful tools used for a variety of applications including 3D modeling and rendering. First, let's start with Photon, which is a real-time rendering engine that allows for fast and accurate rendering of 3D models. To get started with Photon, you will need to download and install the software on your computer. Once installed, you can launch the program and start creating your 3D models. Photon has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and use. The main window is divided into several sections including the scene hierarchy, the properties panel, and the render window. The scene hierarchy allows you to organize and manage your 3D models and scenes. The properties panel allows you to adjust the settings and properties of your models and scenes. The render window displays the final rendered image. Next, let's move on to Phantom, which is a 3D modeling software that allows you to create complex 3D models from scratch. To get started with Phantom, you will need to launch the program and create a new project. Phantom has a variety of tools and features that make it easy to create complex 3D models. The main tools in Phantom include the Extrude tool, the Sweep tool, and the Loft tool. The Extrude tool allows you to create 3D models by extruding 2D shapes. The Sweep tool allows you to create 3D models by sweeping a 2D shape along a path. The Loft tool allows you to create 3D models by lofting a series of 2D shapes. To use Photon and Phantom together, you will need to export your 3D models from Phantom and import them into Photon. Once imported, you can use Photon to render your 3D models in real time. This allows you to see how your models will look in real time and make any necessary adjustments. Best practices for using Photon and Phantom include starting with simple models and scenes and gradually increasing the complexity as you become more comfortable with the software. It is also a good idea to save your work frequently and to use the undo feature to experiment with different settings and properties. By following these steps and tips, you can get started with using Photon and Phantom to create complex 3D models and render them in real time. With practice and patience, you can become proficient in using these powerful tools and create stunning 3D models and animations.